Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how to post pictures, videos, how to tag people, how to show your activity, your feelings to your friends and family. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook. Then on top you can see what's on your mind. Click on it. So here you can see photo and video option on top. Click on it. Select any video that you want to post and click on next button. You can tag people, you can show your feelings and activity, you can see different modes, you can show your activities, you can show your check-in location, you can post live video, you can change background color, you can use camera, gif and music. So now I will show you that how to change background color. So you can see different background colors, you can select anyone. You can choose different backgrounds, you can select anyone, then you can write your message, and after writing message on top you can see next button. So in this way you can
If you
post
like
your
the video,
pictures,
please
videos or
subscribe my
any
channel.
post.
Thanks
If you
for
like the
watching.
video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.